IPCOM introducing the Wi-Fi 7 Pro-7-LR access point installation and configuration guide step by step. Here's the Pro-7-LR box layout, which includes detailed specifications. Let's do the unboxing of the access point. Here we have the IPCOM 24-port PoE switch. We will connect this access point with this switch to do the configuration. On the switch we have QR code on the corner, 2 SFP ports, 2 uplink gigabit ports, 24 PoE ports and LED indicators of the switch ports. On the back side of the switch we have power connection. Let's connect the power cord to turn on the switch. Once you connect the power cord, green indicators will turn on at the front of the switch. Let's connect the network cable to get the internet to the switch and uplink port. Pro-7-LR has sleek and simple design with advanced air ventilation system. It has 2 Ethernet ports for data and PoE connectivity. Now connect the cable to the access point to establish a connection between switch and access point. Once the device is connected, the access point light turn into blue, means the connection is stable and established. Let's dive into IPCOM Cloud app called ProFi. In ProFi app we will create a new project named as IPCOM Demo. Select project type. Select project scenario. Select country project is located in. Go next. And now add the switch to the cloud to access the connected devices over the network. If we select over Wi-Fi, it will automatically start scanning. Let's skip and scan the switch QR code to add the device. Now you can see in the topology the switch is successfully added to the cloud. Once you tap on switch icon, you can see the details about the switch. Let's wait and access point connection to be established. Once connected, automatically it will ask to add AP to the project. Click on add to project and continue. Now give access point SSID. Set new password. Once everything is set, click add and you will see the success screen. Now in topology you can see the access point is added. Click on access point icon to see the details. You now go to client or user Wi-Fi setting to check the broadcasted SSID and connect. You can click on Wi-Fi list button to see the Wi-Fi list you created. Click on add Wi-Fi list and create new Wi-Fi SSID. Give SSID and password you want to set for this. Now come back to home screen dashboard to explore more features. You can explore more tools. For example, we are going to do the ping test to see the established connection speed. As this test runs, you can see the average ping we are getting at 11 milliseconds. Once click on 3 dots besides the project. You can see edit and share the project with others. Let's do a test share of this project. Here you can see 2 options. 1. Management access. 2. View only, and you can set the time limit as well for how long we can give access to someone. You can create a guest network as well from the settings screen. Set SID ID of the guest network. And set new password. You can set the client limit as well to protect the speed limit and user access. Click on Save and go to Wi-Fi setting to check the SSID we just created is successfully broadcasted or not. You can enter the password and connect to guest Wi-Fi created to check. In Pro-7-LR you can explore more features such as LED indicators turn on and off. You can check for latest available firmware versions. You can create smart home network. And many more settings you can do just with one click from Profi app. In Pro-7-LR IPCOM WiFi 7 access point, unbeatable speed and performance.